Hello, my dearest. How you guys doing? This is Rosalinda, your favorite fire inspector. Safer year start here, right? Safer year start here. Your air fryer is probably one of the most convenient appliances that you have in your kitchen, but also it can become a fire hazard. Okay, so cooking is one of the leading causes of house fires in the US. Okay, and one simple mistake could put you home in your home and family at risk. According to the National Fire Protection Association, the NFPA, cooking is the leading cause of home fires in the United States, accounting for nearly half of all reported home fires, right? Air fryer is generally safe, but as I was saying before, air fryers are generally safe, but improper placement, which you have to place it on a fire safe area, on a hard, um, on a hard counter, right? An improper placement, grease buildup, overcrowding, unattended cooking can actually, increase the risk of fire, right? A few simple habits, a few simple safety habits can help to prevent a serious kitchen fire and protect your family. Have you ever walked away from the air fryer while it was running? Please drop a comment and let me know. A air fryer is convenient, okay, but they generate intense heat. So keep them away from walls, cabinets, paper towels, and other combustible materials, like also kitchen towels, also anything that can be cartons, anything that can be combustible, okay? And keep them away also from our little fairy friends at home, family members at home. And also do not overload the fryer. Okay, do not put so many things that it does not have space to breathe. Okay, and you restrict, because by doing that you're restricting the fan from doing what it has to do. Okay, from airflow can cause overheating. If there's no airflow, it can cause overheating. Okay, so we have to be mindful of all those things. Okay, clean your air fryer regularly, as often as you use it, and make sure that the in wall inside the air fryer there's no grease buildup, and also the heating plates. Okay, because grease buildup can actually increase, okay, the ignite on a high temperature. Okay, if you are using parmesan paper, make sure that is flattened by the food. But most importantly, do not leave your air fryer while in operation unattended. Okay, unattended. Make sure that you clean also around, all right, around your air fryer. Make sure you clean it also. Use air fryer on a flat surface. Okay, leave several inches of clearance around it. Clean it often and stay close while in operation. While your air fryer is in operation, do not leave it unattended. I will repeat this again, especially now with this season, the summer season. We have to be more careful because we tend to have more high temperatures of heat. Okay, if you and then keep it on a flat surface. We already spoke about that. You have to keep your stuff on fire rated flat surface. Okay, a few moments, a simple precaution, okay, today can actually save your kitchen fire tomorrow. This is Rosalinda, your favorite fire inspector. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful week, and see you here next Tuesday for another fire safety tip. Ta-da!